Hello. Hi guys. So today we are going to be trying out some rice paper dumplings because I have these from such a long time and I have not used these. Capsicum, carrots. In Indian households we don't use tofu, we use paneer. Let's be fancy. Okay. We have cottage cheese and onion and garlic, and we'll just make the filling. I think it will not be that hard. We are using olive oil. And here I have some onion and garlic. Stir fry these. Now they are a little translucent. Let's add some capsicum. If you don't like capsicum, you can avoid these. You can add stable vegetables to the filling, like whatever you want. Carrots. I wanted some mushrooms, but I wasn't able to find some, so I like mushrooms though. Let's wait them to make them a little soft. Vinegar, a little bit of chili sauce, and a little bit of soy sauce. Also a little bit of salt and pepper. I can add more if I want to whenever I will add cottage cheese. And now we have to wait for it to get a little soft. Till then, let's crumble our paneer. Smells good. I think they are a little soft now. Now I'm going to add our paneer. Oil. This a little bit chili powder. I'm lacking a lot of taste. Turn off the gas and let it cook a little bit. Some construction is going on as soon as I start recording. Okay, I have some cold water here, normal temperature water. We're gonna add a good amount of filling. Let's wrap it. Oh, it's hot. Oh, I should have let it cool down. I am that impatient soul. Another layer of it, another rice paper, dip it and fold it again. Ice cold. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of chewy foods, but I got these ones in lockdown and I was like, I have to use them. They are like in my cupboard from such a long time. I think this is the dumpling. These are quite easy though. Around 4 or 5 till the filling is like done. I'm going to add some more filling because I like my dumplings to be really filled, but I don't want it to break like I just did. I hope that this is okay. I think it's enough. I think. Okay. Another rice paper. Add it like this. Give it a little safety blanket. Oh yeah, I also wanted to add cheese in one of these because why not? So pretty. Gonna add a little bit of cheese in this one. Let's fold it. Here's a cheese one. I'm going to put, I think 3 of these in air fryer and I will pan fry them. 3 of the rest. Let me just flip it. Ooh, it looks nice.
So let's try one.
I want to make my noodles. I will come back and I will tell you which one taste more good, the air fried ones or the pan fried ones. Till then,
The air fry ones are the ones, if you will make them, they will still be crispy after 5 minutes. But the pan fry ones, they will get soggy after like 1 or 2 minutes, pretty good. But I will prefer air fry ones because they're so crispy. And these are the noodles I made. These are not. To try this out. Till then, bye. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you think that there are some suggestions, be positive and you can definitely write those in the comment section. Till then, bye.